Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 78 Chevy K10. What a nice truck. Look at the paint on this thing, just almost like glass. Come out of Montana, so nice dry truck. Very well done restoration. The paint, if you look at my pictures, I didn't show a lot. I tried to show any issues. And I just didn't have any chips or anything. You know, you might see some old original chrome not being perfect, but boy, this thing is nice. Seat's been recovered. Dash, I think that's a real dash. A lot of times people put cover lathes on it. Missing dome light cap, but I can find one of them. 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, non-air truck. Nice pickup. Spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. Like I said, the paint has a shine on it that's just awesome. So this is a quick walk around video because there isn't just a lot to show you. Got good tread on the tires, rally wheel. If you're looking for a nice stock truck, this definitely fits the bill. Yep, still can't find anything. So they did a nice job. You can see it was painted, taken apart. They took it into here where you're kind of supposed to. And there they jammed it all the way. So I mean, that is just done nicely. See, just custom deluxe Silverado paint scheme. So don't have a build sheet on it, so don't know which one is which. This paint scheme is Silverado, so with chrome and everything. So in the way the chrome looks, I would say it is. In the dash thing, they didn't have the Silverado one, so they found a custom deluxe one. So, but doesn't matter. Good looking truck. Start up our 78 K10. You can see you got a JVC stereo in it. Fuel gauge just above 1/8 of a tank. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Thought the wipers worked. I'll have to take a look at them. Wipers are in currently. Oil gauge works. It's charging. Dome light works. Just missing a cover. So, oh, I remember on that. I know. Blower motor's right here. They got a switch on it for some reason, if I remember right. So. Runs great. Sounding exhaust. So it looks like I gotta look at the wipers. We're out driving our 78 K10. Runs and drives good. Temp gauge is starting to come up. Look at the shine on that hood. Just a good looking truck. Running 60 miles an hour down the road. Steering wheel's pretty straight. So if you're looking for a really decent truck, this one will definitely fit the bill. In my walk around video, I told you it was a Silverado on the outside, and it has a Silverado paint scheme in chrome, but it has a custom deluxe cover. But there you can see they just screwed that in, so that's not the correct one. On the body shop, and you can tell that part is really good. This is a nice build mechanically and body wise, and come out of Montana, so nice drive country, not a rusty area, so good solid truck. So super nice truck, 605-695-7391.